We're going to remodel this bathroom. Drew, if you can pan around, and we're going to go through the floor in the closet. So today we're going to tear up this ceramic, pull up the trim, move this cabinet, move the toilet, and first thing we'll do is we set up outside, got materials. I need to take you guys all the way through the journey, because a lot of times, like when I first started, I would bid jobs. I did do, man, I knew exactly how long it would take. I might take less time, but I always forgot how much time it took to go to the store and gather up all the tools and bring it here and then take it back. That would be the part that I missed. And then I was like, man, where am I losing all this time? So if you had to go to a job for 2 weeks, and I didn't have all that gas money and figured out, I just had it all focused on the job, which is good as an estimator, but not good in considering you have to go get materials. Okay, so at some point I'll show you guys all the things that I do from start to finish so that you can do the same thing. But the first thing we're going to do is take the door off. So I'm going to beat it up and it doesn't get in our way. Take out this cabinet and take out the toilet. And then we're going to start on the trim and then the floor. It's going to be messy. So this is a lot of people's buddy. You end up hugging him when you're driving the bus or whatever. When you don't feel good, that porcelain feels really nice on a hot fever day. You put your head on a cold buddy like this. Anyway, this buddy has got to be removed so that we can put new ceramic tile. So the first thing we did was we shut the water off here. Flush the toilet here, which I'm not going to take credit for. The guys running the camera, Drew, did. And that means that the majority of the water's gone. There'll still be some. So then we're going to disconnect this line and disconnect this line, because this is a hard line. It's flexible, we could leave it. But we're going to disconnect it. There'll be some more water because there's a little bit in here. That'll probably dribble out. Generally when I do that, I leave a little towel to, pick up that water. So we'll have it right there. Then when we get that loose, we'll disconnect these rusty bolts if we can without cutting them. And then we're going to pick this toilet up, and we'll see how we got a towel in here. We're going to put the toilet in here. Now, why have we got that towel? First of all, the wax ring and whatever else is on the wax ring will get on the tub. That means work. This towel is something I picked up at Goodwill and garage sales and such. So, also, that toilet could easily scratch or damage this tub. We're going to ease it in. And before we take it out of here and put it back over there some days later, we rock it back and forth. That water will come out of the trap that's built into the toilet. Let me show you where that's at. Right down here. Water gets hung up in here. So you rock that toilet back and forth before you bring it out of there. That's why you got the towel in there, because you're going to have that action. So we'll do all that and we'll come back to you.